If you get this error in WWZ which says connection to WWZ services failed, then listen to this tutorial very carefully and I'll guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now, in most cases, you'll get this when their servers are down or during maintenance. If you go to down detector, just search it on Google, just write down detector WWZ. Just come here which says WWZ outages reported in the last 24 hours. You can see huge spikes which has been reported here. So in most cases, you'll get this when their servers are down. And when their servers are down or during maintenance, you'll need to wait for a few hours until the issue will resolve by itself. However, you can try the following. Now, if you're on PC, I'll also go on console. Now, if you're on PC, you can try the following. Try to flash your DNS cache. Now, to flash your DNS cache, just copy this command, which is ipconfig/flushdns. Go to the start menu here and search for CMD. So just write CMD and run the CMD app. After running the CMD app, I prefer running it as administrator. Now, after opening CMD, which is command, and run this command, which is ipconfig/flushdns. Now, this will flash your DNS cache on your PC and in most cases will resolve minor connection glitches. Also, you can try to verify your game files. Now, open your Epic Game service. So Epic Game. Just go on Epic Games and go to your library section here. Now go to WWZ and select the 3 dots and then go to manage. Then make sure to verify integrity of your game files. So this should try to verify your game files. If there are any connection glitches, will also be resolved. Now, if you've done so but you still face again the same issue, luckily WWZ has provided a basic connection issue troubleshooting guide which you may need to follow, which in most cases has helped a lot of people. Now, you may need to restart your router, unplug the power cord from your router, wait 1 minute and plug it back in. If your device is connected via Wi-Fi, unplug your LAN cable from the router and plug it directly into your PC or console. Also, check if the issue persists with another internet source. Try using your mobile hotspot as your internet source. So you can try to use your mobile hotspot as your internet source. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling them. Make sure nothing interferes with your connection. Antivirus software, security applications, IP filtering programs, and the similar programs may be a reason the connection is not stable or blocked. So make sure nothing interferes with your connection. Antivirus software, security applications, IP filtering programs, and the similar programs may be a reason the connection is not stable or blocked. Also, check your NAT type. If it is type 3 strict, your router may be blocking the connection. Try to plug your cable directly into your PC or console and observe any changes in connections. Also, you can try on PC, disable your firewall. Just go to start menu, then control panel, and then system and security and Windows firewall, and make sure to disable your firewall. So this is the basic troubleshooting guide. I'll also leave the link in the description for this guide so that you can follow easily. But in most cases, you'll get this when their servers are down. As you can see, huge spikes here, which shows reported in the last 24 hours. So you can try to wait for a few hours and the issue will resolve by itself. However, you can try to follow the instructions that I've shown you and you'll be able to resolve this issue for connection to WWZ services failed. So let me know in the comment section if these tutorials helped you. I'll also leave the link in the description for this basic troubleshooting guide, which actually is from the support from the Saba Games, which is the developer for WWZ games. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time.